type of wax. I wish I could describe the feeling that I'm getting in my wrist right now when I'm probing this wax. Very similar to, you know, if you had like a nail hammered into wood and you were trying to flick that nail with a pen, that is literally the type of feedback that I'm getting in my hand. It really is tough. Very unusual. So the tool that I'm using here at the moment is called an articulated curette. So it's a plastic tool. It looks like a little gun actually, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end and how it works. But essentially the idea is that you find an opportunity, you go in over the top of the wax or behind the wax, you pull the trigger, and then the flap eventually goes down at a 90 degree, and then that allows you a little bit more leverage. And I've not used this in quite some time, but it's very, very good, I have to say. So you can see I'm pulling the trigger at the moment, and the flap is kind of doing this. And you know, over the time that I've been using this tool, the technique I've kind of developed is that whilst you're pulling the trigger, you're squeezing and releasing, and you're kind of doing this with your wrist. So you're sort of doing a scooping action as well with your wrist, and that gives me the best results. The pro of using this articulated curette is that it's so quick. I mean, it's just really, really effective. And you know, I've forgotten how good it was actually. But you know, you may be thinking, well, why use this, and why not use a Jobson horn or a hook? And the reason is, this is just, you can see how hard it is there. I'm just sort of probing it. So we'll get rid of it with some crocodile forceps. It's just very quick and easy, you know, and the fact that it's illuminated is also very nice because, again, one of the techniques that you would use with a hook or